This video demonstrates how to create a WhatsApp business app using the Meta for Developers dashboard, generate a permanent access token, and finally, input those credentials into a SalePro dashboard. Creating a new Meta app. First, the user navigates to developers.facebook.com/apps. The Create App button is clicked. On the Create an App page, the Other option is selected and the user clicks Next. From the Select an App Type page, Business is chosen and the user clicks Next. The app name is typed in as WH Cloud. From the Business Portfolio dropdown, the WhatsApp Cloud Message Test account is selected. The Create button is clicked. After the app dashboard loads, the user scrolls to the Add Products to Your App section. The WhatsApp product is located and the Setup button is clicked. This loads the WhatsApp Business Platform page. WhatsApp API setup and adding a phone number. On the API setup page, the user goes to Step 1, Select Phone Numbers, under the Send and Receive Messages section. The From dropdown is clicked and the Add Phone Number option is selected. In the pop-up, Line Coders is typed in as the business name. Select your country, type your business website name. The Next button is clicked. Navigating to Meta Business Manager. Switches to the WhatsApp Manager page within business.com, which is the Meta Business Manager. The Settings gear icon at the bottom of the left-hand navigation menu is clicked. Once the Business Settings page loads, System Users under Users is clicked in the left menu. The system user named is selected. The three-dot menu next to the user's name is clicked and Edit is selected. In the Edit Assets pop-up, Apps is selected first, the WH Cloud app if selected, and the full control option on the right is enabled. Next, WhatsApp Accounts is selected. The Test WhatsApp Business account is selected and its full control is also enabled. Finally, the Assign Assets button is clicked. Generating a permanent access token. With the system user still selected, the Generate Token button is clicked. In the pop-up, the WH Cloud app is selected from the Select App dropdown. For token expiration, the Never option is selected. In the Assign Permissions section, the WhatsApp Business Messaging and WhatsApp Business Management permissions are selected. The Generate Token button is clicked. The newly created permanent token is copied by clicking the Copy button. Inputting credentials into SalePro. Go to the SalePro Application Dashboard. Navigates to the WhatsApp Settings page from the left-hand menu. This page shows fields for Permanent Access Token, Phone Number ID, and Business Account ID. Set all information here.